As an Operator 1 in Greenwood, you can expect to perform several duties throughout a shift. Manual packing is the process of physically placing product into boxes. In addition to manual packing, Cardinal Health also utilizes automated packing technology. Operating the automated equipment may require tasks, including ensuring the product loads properly, maintaining the equipment, and cleaning the equipment throughout a shift. Other packing tasks can include placing boxes on carts, loading packing equipment, performing quality checks, and performing rework activities. Quality checks are an essential part of the manufacturing process to ensure customer satisfaction. Every 30 minutes, the operator is required to open and check the product. This includes testing different components of the product for things like holes, defects, and contamination. You will also be required to complete paperwork that details product information, such as lot code. Cleaning is a vital part of our safety focus. Buildup of manufacturing byproduct can damage equipment, poses a fire hazard, and increases the risk for slip and fall. Everyone is accountable for cleaning at different times throughout a shift. This can be when a line is down for maintenance or during designated cleaning periods. Cardinal Health expects operators to adhere to Cardinal Health values. We place an emphasis on accountability, safety, doing what's right, and working together. This means being on time, properly completing tasks based on assigned training, adhering to site policies like not wearing jewelry, helping others, and always keeping the patient and customer in mind.